Hey everyone, this is Brian Fillmore coming at you once again with another tip and trick for having success with LiveGood. One of the things that people have a hard time with sometimes is figuring out where the heck their orders are once they've put the order in. LiveGood is working with Landmark to do the shipping, but sometimes Landmark actually works with other carriers as well, like postal carriers, like in Mexico. So if you've put an order in, one of the first things you do is you come down on the left-hand side of your screen here and click on Order History. When you click on Order History, your orders will come up. And my last one here is right here, 3 items. You click on where it says tracking, there's a little link code here. This will give you your landmark um, tracking. Click on full event history just to see where. Now, the last update I had with this one provided from LiveGood is actually on May 25th, where it says my items were presented at customs in Mexico. However, if you want to have more up to date, see, they use Mexico Post. So what I do is I come over here, I take this tracking number up here. So here's the tracking number up in the top spacebar here. I'll copy that, Control C, and then I'm going to go to this application called Universal Global Tracking. So their website is parcelapp.com. They actually have a app that you can download on your Android or iPhone as well. But if you go to parcelsapp.com and you use the tracking number that was given to you by Landmark, you can come over here, put that tracking number in, Control V, and now I can get a more up-to-date. See, this here, the last update I had from the landmark tracking number was May 25th, but here I am, I can see on June 2nd, it says En transito hacia destino. I cannot speak Spanish, but I know that that's the parcel is en route to to its destination. So it's a little more update. You can actually translate that to be more specific. Control C, go into Google Translate, in transit to destination. So go into order history on your LiveGood site to find out where the heck your product is. Click on the link, take that tracking number, go to parcelsapp.com, put in that tracking number right here, track package, and you'll have the most up-to-date information on where your package is. If you would like to keep getting little tricks like this for having success with LiveGood, please like and subscribe down below to my channel. I'll keep bringing you great updates. As I learn, I'm going to pass it on to all my friends and teammates. So you guys have a blessed day. Have a great day. Bye-bye.